Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue with DJI Fly application not working. So the issue is mostly faced in the Samsung devices because it is running Android 12. Most of the Samsung devices are running Android 12 and this application is just not compatible with Android 12. So in order for you to get this application start working, the first thing that you can do is just simply go to the store where you downloaded the application and see whether do you have an update over there or not. So if you don't have update, just simply again go back to your home screen. Now try clearing the cache. So for clearing the cache, simply go to your settings, then apps, then manage apps, then it's just simply search for DJI, open the application and then hit clear data at the bottom part, then choose clear cache. Then hit OK. Now after doing that, if you're still facing the issue, the only solution left for you is to uninstall the application completely and re-download the application, not from your Play Store or App Store, but from the official website of DJI. So just simply go to your browser and just simply search for DJI Fly application. Then you will find the official website for DJI. Then click on Download Center. And over here you will find the application link. So just simply download and reinstall the application, and after that it should start working. Or what you can do is just simply try getting an older version of DJI Fly application from the internet and see whether that application is working or not. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.